Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. Let's start with opening your contact list. Let's find the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one. Then let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. And let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact, which is without the photo. So let's simply tap on this icon or this add picture option. And here we've got three different sections from which we can choose the picture. So we've got the illustrations. So here we've got a lot of beautiful kind of like draw images or graphics. Basically you can pick something from those options because they are really pretty. Here we've got Google Photos, which is your gallery kind of, and the device photos, and we've got the gallery and the camera. The camera will be useful if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, because this option will immediately open the camera app. But I will pick something from the gallery, so let me tap on it. Let's find the photo we'd like to use. And as you can see, in this step we can either zoom in or out a photo. We can also change the position of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So if you're happy with the positioning, etc., just tap on choose, and as you can see the photo has been immediately applied. Remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and here we've got our contact with a newly added photo. You will be able to see it on the contact list. However, no worries, because it is not visible right now. Just give the time to the device so it will have a chance to refresh it. So as you can see, it may take a while, but no worries. Eventually the photo will appear. Whenever you will open the contact, the photo of your choice will be shown. Of course, you will be also able to see this photo, for example, during incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.